You crush me like paper and then you go light me on fire. You live life above me and I just can't get any higher. I wondered about doing something I can't quite remember, and there you were. Where'd you come from? How can I get there too? What we do it? Do I even care? Who was I before I met you? Before I met you. You break all my bones and I bend like a tree in the wind. You rewrote my ending, now I don't know where to begin. I wonder